people.
Yeah.
But in my final message, and I got a call last night, and this one hurts a little bit. There was a lady in Thunder Bay was picked up by two non-native guys, assaulted, raped, taken out in the bush, left there to die. She made it home. She got to the hospital, got the police involved, and those things are ongoing right now. And that was that hate crime, because what the two guys said to her is, all you Indians need to lose your treaty. So it's a hate crime against our community, and what our message is to all of you: let's not take that same tone. Let's not take that same approach. Let's keep the things that we're doing safe right now. Let's keep our matter in a productive one that we get our message across. We had this conference call a couple of days ago, and we go back and we talk about how do we get Harper to the table? How do we get Harper to meet with Chief Spence? It's by going after the industry, like the mining companies, the forestry sectors, and all the guys that are extracting resources from our land. Shut them down for a little while. Millions of dollars will be lost in resources. Those guys pay an investment to having the Prime Minister of the day elected. That's who we have to go after, all those industries. Make sure we have an impact on the bottom dollar, and it's bottom dollar's money to Canada and Prime Minister Harper. We need to stay strong. We need to stay focused. We need to stay united.
Yeah.
Don't let them break us down. Don't let them break us down with legislation. And one more message: whose land is this?